Hunter.io is an email finding tool that lets you quickly locate professional email addresses associated with any company or domain. It's an essential tool for sales and marketing professionals looking to streamline their outreach process. You can enter a company's domain, and Hunter.io will provide email addresses associated with that domain. Additionally, it offers email verification to ensure you're reaching the right contacts. One of the standout features is the domain search, which provides a list of all email addresses connected to a specific domain. This is perfect for targeting outreach efforts to companies you're interested in. Hunter.io also includes an email verification tool, which ensures the emails you find are valid and active, reducing the chances of bounce rates. While Hunter.io is highly effective, there are some limitations. For one, the free plan is quite limited in the number of searches you can perform. If you need more extensive use, you'll need to sign up for one of the paid plans. Also, Hunter.io can be more expensive compared to other similar services, especially for users who need to make frequent searches. Hunter.io offers several pricing tiers, with the most basic plan starting at around $49 per month. The pricing scales depending on how many searches and verifications you need per month. For those who need more extensive usage, the higher tier plans can cost up to $399 per month. In the middle of exploring Hunter.io, I want to mention Clean Email. It's a great tool for email management and organizing your inbox. If you want a better way to manage your emails, follow the link in the description to learn more about this efficient email management system. To summarize, Hunter.io is a solid tool for businesses looking to streamline their email outreach and lead generation. It's easy to use and has great features like domain search and email verification. However, it can be expensive for those with high volume needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful reviews and tips on tools like Hunter.io.